Ever find yourself like hitting that copy and paste a little too much in Acumatica? Like it's super handy, don't get me wrong, but then you start thinking, oh, did I get everything right? You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Especially when you're dealing with like tons of data in Acumatica, you want to be sure that what you're copying is actually accurate and follows, all your business rules.
Right, because like one tiny mistake can snowball into like a whole mess of problems later on.
Exactly. So today we're going to deep dive into this whole copy paste situation in Acumatica and how to like make sure it's working for you, not against you.
Love it. And to help us out, we've got the awesome Noor, an associate software engineer over at Tiana Solution with us.
Yeah, Noor's been in the ERP game for like 5 years now, and she's tackled, I don't even know how many unique scenarios.
Yeah.
Hundreds, probably.
Mm.
She's also like a master of customization, especially in Acumatics' distribution and e-commerce editions.
So she knows her stuff for sure. All right, so let's get into it. What's the main problem with Acumatica's like out-of-the-box copy-paste feature?
Well, the thing is, it's great for like basic copying, but it doesn't always catch those little details that are super important for your specific business. Like sometimes you need certain fields to reset or be unique in the new record.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I guess I never really thought about it that way.
Yeah, like imagine you're a distributor and you're copying a sales order over and over. You got to make sure things like the customer reference number or the order status are updated correctly. Otherwise, you'll end up with like a bunch of duplicates and confusion down the line.
Ugh, yeah, that sounds like a nightmare. So what's the fix? How do you make sure copy-paste doesn't turn into a copy-paste headache?
Well, that's where Noor and the team at Tiana Solution come in. They've developed this really cool solution using what's called a graph extension. It's basically like a little add-on that lets you customize how the copy-paste action works.
Oh, that's pretty slick.
Yeah,
So it's like you're giving Acumatica's copy-paste some extra smarts.
exactly. So for example, you can set it up so that when you copy a sales order, it automatically clears out that customer reference number field.
Hmm.
So you're forced to put in a new unique one.
That's a good idea. It's a little safety net to prevent those duplicate entries.
Right. And you can do all sorts of other cool stuff too. Like if you're copying an invoice, you can make sure the new copy starts off in a draft status, even if the original was like paid or closed.
Oh, wow. So you can basically build in all your business rules right into the copy-paste process.
Yep. That way you get the speed and efficiency of copy paste without sacrificing data accuracy.
And I bet that saves a ton of time and hassle in the long run.
Absolutely. It's all about making your systems work smarter, not harder.
Yeah.
And they're super thorough about testing everything too. They make sure these customized actions work smoothly across all kinds of different scenarios.
So this whole graph extension thing, it sounds like it came about because businesses were kind of like, hey, Acumatica, we love the copy-paste, but it needs an upgrade.
Pretty much. They were getting all this feedback from users who were running into problems with the standard copy paste, you know, like accidentally duplicating data or having inconsistencies. So they realized there was a real need for more control and customization.
Yeah, it makes sense. I mean, every business has its own unique quirks and processes, right?
Totally. And that's what's so cool about Acumatica. It's super flexible and customizable.
Yeah.
But sometimes you need a little extra help to like unlock that potential.
For sure. So for anyone listening out there, especially small business owners and Acumatica consultants who bumped into this whole copy-paste dilemma, it's definitely worth looking into these custom solutions.
Absolutely. If you're struggling with data consistency issues or you just want to make sure your Acumatica system is working as efficiently as possible, reach out to Tiana Solution. They're experts at this stuff and they can help you get things running smoothly.
Awesome. Well, folks, there you have it. It's amazing how even something as simple as copy-paste can have such a huge impact on your business. But the good news is that with a little customization, you can really take control of your data and make sure everything's running like a well-oiled machine.
And remember, it's all about finding those solutions that work for your specific needs. So don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box when it comes to your Acumatica system.
Totally. All right. Well, thanks so much for joining us for this deep dive into the world of Acumatica copy-paste.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
And for all you listeners out there, keep on innovating and keep on Acumaticating. We'll catch you in the next episode.